Hey lovelies, welcome back to the channel. Are you struggling with weak signal on your iPhone? Don't worry, I've got some tips to help you boost your signal. Let's get started. First, let's give your iPhone a quick reset. Swipe down from the top right corner or hop from bottom on older models to open your control center. Tap the airplane icon to enable airplane mode. Wait for a few seconds and then tap it again to disable it. This can help reset your connection to the nearest cell tower. To check your signal strength, open the setting app, go to mobile service. Ensure your mobile data is turned on. This will help you see your current connection and check for any error. Sometimes, carrier setting updates can improve your connection. Go to the setting, tap on General, and then About. If there is an update available, you will see a prompt to update your carrier setting. You can also restart your phone by holding the power button and one of the volume button, then sliding the slide to power off button. After a few seconds, turn it back on. This can often help refresh your network connection. If your signal is still weak, try removing your SIM card and reinstalling it. Use a SIM card rejector tool or a paper clip to pop out the SIM tray. Wait a moment, then put the SIM card back in. You can also reset network setting by going back to setting, tap General, then Reset. Choose Reset Network Setting. This will reset your Wi-Fi network and password, cellular setting, and VPN/APN setting. Note that you will need to re-enter your Wi-Fi password afterwards. If you're often in areas with poor signal, consider investing in a signal booster. These devices can amplify your cellular signal, providing better reception. And that's it guys. With these tips, you should see improvements in your iPhone signal strength. If you found this helpful, please like, comment and subscribe for more quick tips, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.